Hey everyone, my name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to change the display and text size to either be larger or smaller on your iPhone. What I'm going to do is navigate to my settings app, which is on the bottom right hand corner here, this gray app. Okay, and now go ahead and scroll down. There are two ways that you can do this. The first I'll show you, it says display and brightness. Okay, you'll notice the two A's next to it. I'm going to select that, and you'll notice that you can change the text size by selecting text size and moving your finger larger or smaller. So let's say I would like it large, and I can also go ahead and bold text so everything's bold and larger. Okay, now the other way you can do it is just in a different area here in settings, is under the accessibility area. Go ahead and select that. You'll notice that the display and text size is also here, so you can undo the bold, put the bold on, put the larger text on. So there is the other area that you can make your display and text size larger or smaller. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll catch you in the next video.